to school too.
You will still manage this one. Put away the chemical I kept inside the parlor.
Chemical kept?
It's chemical. It's set inside. It's used for killing rats, cockroaches, etc. Apart from the one I just finished calling. Who put it away?
This afternoon, we're going to be talking about chemicals. What did I say? When you're talking about chemicals, they have different types of chemicals. On this table, I have what they call the quadratical chemical. We also have the alkalogenous chemical. What did I call it? This one is what we call the zoologic chemical. And then we have the anti-monoponogeographicationalism. What did I call it? You think I'm laughing with you? Let me tell you, I have different degrees. They know me all over the world. And you think I'm here to laugh with you? Well, I'm giving you an assignment on how to produce insecticide. When you don't bring it to school tomorrow, you will see what I will do to you.
Chemical. It's my chemistry teacher that gave it to me as assignment. Look at one color. Look at one color. See, this is chemical. See, chemical. It does miracle. Yes. Don't make me scared. This is our chemistry teacher. He's really a chemistry teacher. Look at what he's teaching us. It's not like that our former chemistry teacher. Yes, I don't know who point away. I don't know who point away.
What nonsense is this?
Okay, you there yet?
No, and then inside.
No person. Now try the day. You don't even carry anything to take one.
That is it.
And I get one before Jenifa teacher. Now go bring it.
Bring it.
See you.
And I'm eating dry bread.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Jenifa.
This is what you want to use your life for. I'm going to do many. Do you know who?
Drop the other one.
Drink this one first, nah. You go first finish one before you go there.
You are good for nothing.
Jesus is Lord. Apostle will hear of this. You will end up in my God.
Jake, you better kill yourself.
I better take them.
I beg, I don't tell them.
Okay, it's fine. Let me just tell you guys. So keep watching School 2. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep enjoying. I know you always enjoy it. I know, but don't enjoy it. You have to share with your friends. You know what I mean? You know, tag your friends, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Instagram, share everywhere on all your social media platforms as far as you have one year. Keep watching School 2 and enjoy it.
I know you are seeing that red button that subscribes. Just tap it. Just tap it. Just tap it once and send to other people.
School 2.